Hello, this is Eric Miscoll with EMSNOW. I'm on the show floor at IPC Apex in San Diego, and I have Ivan with Koh Young here. And actually, I'm looking forward to this because usually when I talk to Koh Young, I'm talking to the business guys, right? What we have now is one of the software developers, is what you do. So why don't you explain your role within the company?
Sure. So I'm basically a software developer regarding MES, so manufacturing execution system. So every single piece of information coming from the inspection machines, in this case as Koh Young, SPI, and NOI, is how do we integrate all this data coming from, relevant data coming from the inspection points and send it or integrate it into other kind of solution, right? Talking about ITAC, CFX, Hermes, all of these solutions that are out there, it's very important for our customers to really analyze all this data coming from the machines to improve their process, right? So that's basically what we do.
That's it. Basically, but it's much more complicated than that, I'm sure.
More complicated. If we talk about all of these kind of solutions, right? Right now we have a really relevant solution that we're improving every single day, which is K-Smart. So K-Smart is a web-based solution that a customer can, monitor, analyze, and improve, in real-time improvement of the process, either by the printer or the mounter process. We have connections between the machines so that the whole printer process or the mounter process can be improved in real time. And also we get all these analytics package where all the customers can visualize all the information regarding the efficiency of the production floor. We can automate all the to remove this human interaction and completely automate all the production floor with these kind of solutions, right? So that is all the data set that we have, let's say so.
And that can be overwhelming, I would imagine. I mean, they're capturing so much data these days. I mean, we look around at all these machines, and Koh Young is just one of those within there, but then you have the different protocols, the CFX, the Hermes, and all that, so you have to be compliant and be able to, as you're doing, kind of translating and making sure it all plays nicely together to increase the efficiency, right?
Right, so, we talk about it. So 10 years ago, it was all about, the inspection points. It was all about catching defects, right? Now we are talking about what we do with all this data in order to improve the process, right? So all this data is, basically it takes your whole process to the next level. So we have, partnership with every single piece of data solutions that are out there. So we have been working with Fuji, with CFX, with ITAC, with Panasonic. So every single equipment that right now is, in the SMT industry, we support every single partner, right?
As you need to, absolutely.
Absolutely. So every single customer is completely different, right? And every single customer have their needs. Every single customer wants their own way to say so, right? So basically, what we do is we try to get the most of all these machines, so that we customize all this data for the specific needs for each customer, right?
That makes sense. This is, I mean, it's a complex system, but and I always think with data too, you gather so much data, and some of it may not be relevant right away, right? But it will be potentially later on, but so you still have it, and you have to then kind of assess what's important in the immediate and what might be later on. It's not like you can say, well, this is garbage, let's get rid of it. That garbage may be gold later, right? So it's a challenge.
Right, so that's the whole purpose of our K-Smart solution, right? So it's how we, digest all this data coming, because it's a really enormous amount of data coming from the machine. So it's in a user-friendly way, which is, in this specifically, is a web-based solution. So you can go into your tablet, your phone, your laptop, connect it directly to your production floor, and see digested information about what is going on in your production floor without actually being there, right? So this is what the industry 4.0 is all about, right? All this smart connectivity and smart solutions, AI solutions, right? That is coming out there. Yeah.
This is very interesting, and I think that, I know you also told me before you're in the process of relocating, coming up from Guadalajara to Atlanta. That'll be a heck of a culture change. But I appreciate you taking time. It's good to hear from somebody who does this side of the work within Koh Young, because that's really kind of where the magic happens, right? So, so I wish you continued success, Ivan, and thank you for taking the time today.
Thank you.